Hey there, guys. Today I was going to talk about this lock. Um, I'm not for sure what kind of lock it is, when it was made. If anyone has any answers, please let me know. And the lock does work. It was really, when I first bought it at a flea market, it was covered in rust, really bad. I got most of it off. Um, it came with two keys. Looks like they were handmade years ago. Um, but if anyone knows what year, what kind, what brand it is, it would be really helpful. Just like to get some info on it. And but anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a good day.